lesson where we have the U letter. Okay, that's the name of the letter. So you've got a capital U and a lowercase u. But the sound it makes when you see it in words is the sound. It's a vowel sound, so your whole mouth is open as you say this sound. Well done. So let's put this sound into some words. And the first one is fun. 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 I hope you had fun in the park. Could be a sentence. Fun. Okay, 3 letters, 3 sounds with fun. Next one is uncle. 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 Recently, or last year, I became an uncle for the first time. Could be a sentence. Uncle. We got the digraph at the end of this word, so that is 5 letters with only 4 sounds in uncle. Okay, next one we have is judge. 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 Sometimes the teacher has to be a judge if a student does something wrong, or maybe you have to keep them in for break time. You have to judge if the behavior was good or bad. Judge. Okay, so here we got the j sound, single letter j sound, and we've also got a trigraph. D, G, and E together can also make the j sound as well. So this is j, and this is j. Judge. So it's 5 letters with 3 sounds. So we've got a trigraph j here as well as a single letter j here. Okay, so let's go through them all again together. Say it with me at home, like always would be great. Okay, fun, fun, uncle, uncle, and judge, judge. For watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.